Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to automatically distribute conversation between agents in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. To do this, you need to have more than one agent in your account. Let me show you how. With this setup, the conversation will be evenly distributed between the admins you selected here. This action disables the bot and transfers the conversation to human. There you have it. You just learned how to automatically distribute conversations between agents in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.